Hello and welcome to the Enterprise World magazine. Today, we are privileged to feature a true innovator and industry leader who has significantly contributed to revolutionize level measurement technologies, Dr. Ravinder Goyal, the founder and managing director of EIP Enviro Controls. Dr. Goyal has been a pioneer in the level measurement industry, creating groundbreaking solutions that cater to complex challenges across diverse industries. From power plants to cement factories, EIP's cutting-edge innovations such as the radar level transmitter and the 3D level transmitter have transformed how industries approach efficiency, safety, and cost effectiveness. Dr. Goyal, today we welcome you to the show, and it's an absolute honor to have you with us today.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, your journey as a pioneer in level measurement solutions began in the earlier 1980s. So, could you share what initially inspired you to establish EIP Enviro Controls, and also what was the vision behind it?
Yeah, actually, it's a long journey. Now you can say is almost 42 years of my journey when I started. I was working in a company, EPC company, who was doing a material handling system, and they are the consultant for the power plants, coal-based power plants. So during my service, they won the contract for material handling system where this level switches was specified, and particularly they have asked for the imported level switch. And since my background is an electronic engineer, so me and one of my colleague, he was senior to me in the company, we both have decided let us develop this product in India. And there was no product available in India. So that customer in power plant in Maharashtra, they specified this should be imported. So we took a challenge from the company, and that time electronics was today's IT. There was nothing in the industries, in the process industries, people were using a pneumatic instruments. So electronics was nowhere. So then we took a challenge from the company and we developed prototype instruments, level switches for that project. And our customer have, after 6 months of trials at plant in the power plant in Nashik, then finally customer accepted the product developed by us indigenously acceptable to them. So that was the basic thing. And then we thought of coming out from the company and let us start the own company. So this was the basically that has inspired us to have something because which was not available. So company like BHEL was majorly buying this product from USA. So they totally indigenized this product in 1989. So this was the basically a journey I started.
Yeah, I think that's been a path-breaking journey right there, sir.
Yeah.
So EIP has had a very impressive legacy of being at the forefront of technological advancements, such as the introduction of the 3D level transmitter in 2009. So how has this innovation been the cornerstone of your company's growth?
Yeah, actually, like today we call for solid level measurement in a process industries like coal-based power plant, steel plants, cement industries, petrochemicals, food industries, is a challenge to measure the level of powder material because it's a dusty environment and is a totally when you feed the material in a bin or silo, so it's totally sort of clouds become inside. So it's very difficult to measure the level. There were conventional technologies were available by mechanically people were measuring. We were calling electromechanical system. So and that was a moving part inside that. So that was always whenever customer was taking a measurement in the big silo of 60-meter height in the cement plant. So sometimes that mechanical part was getting damaged. So they have to replace. So that was a big challenge. So we were searching a good technology to measure non-contact type. So we came across with one company in Israel, APM Solutions, and we started jointly with them in India, in neighboring countries, and we put first instrument in one of the power plant for fly ash application, and that has worked very well. So that way, actually, we started the things for solid level measurement, and the 3D is a unique technology which gives you a profile, not only measurement, that gives a profile how the material is inside the bin, like you take a picture from the camera. So that is a unique technology Israeli company have developed, and we were the exclusive partner, and we did good business, and still we are doing a good business, and people are happy whoever have used this technology in India, mainly for coal applications and other applications. They are very happy.
That's great, sir.
And then we have not stopped the things. Then this was the acoustic technology. Then we keep searching. So we brought, then we discussed, and there was a company, we discussed with them, and we got a technology, and we started manufacturing in India. That is a 3D radar level transmitter. Is a radar based technology, is working on 140 gigahertz, which nobody have in the world. So we developed that technology, and since 2016, we have installed in many of the applications. Initially, we developed in single radar, which nobody have it, 5 antennas, means you can cover the maximum area. Then in 2021, we have brought a 64 antenna technology in a single instrument. So that is a unique technology and is acceptable, and people are very happy, not in India, in neighboring countries. In fact, we are supplying to European countries as well, this 3D technology.
That's superb. So radar level transmitters have become a game changer in the industry, right? So
Yes,
what unique challenges did EIP face while developing this technology, and also how did you overcome them?
Yeah, there are many of the multinational companies are in India for radar technology, but they have a single beam radar. In our technical language, we call a single beam radar. Means at particular point only that measures. Whereas we have a conventional single beam radar, as well as we have a multiple radar technology. So that is the advantage EIP always have since 2009.
That's excellent, sir. Like I mentioned in the introduction, that you guys are a pioneer of this industry. So EIP has always been recognized as the first Indian manufacturer of radar level transmitters approved for nuclear projects and the petrochemical sector. So what does this milestone signify for your company and the industry as a whole?
Yeah, this is really a milestone approving EIP as a radar level manufacturers in India. And not only nuclear, even petrochemical consultants, Engineers India Limited. We are the first indigenous company who have been accepted and approved by Engineers India Limited. And till now, there are the multinational companies only.
Yes, sir. With EIP's expansion into other solutions like NOx sensors, slurry density measurement, and knife gate valves, what drives your company's diversification strategy?
Yeah, as I told you, I started my career with a company who are the EPC contractor and the material handling system suppliers. Complete package they take. So the NOGS is a new concept. Again, in a coal-based power plant, when you burn the coal, so you collect the fly ash. We call it coal ash. So, and that is basically sealed chamber where the ash is collected. We call this a ESP, electrostatic precipitator. So where you cannot see what is happening inside. So that was a big challenge, how to have a level of continuous level of this fly ash. So we tied up with company again in US, and we brought this technology in 2017 here, and which gives you a continuous measurement. Because I don't know whether you are aware or not, the even bricks what we are using at our home, that also have a radiation. So the fly ash is also having a radiation. So we measure the radiation through this NOGS technology, and our customer have used this, and now they prefer to use in this ESP hopper NOGS technology. And that is now we have indigenized almost 70 to 80% we do in India from 2020 onwards. And then we have a slurry density meter, which conventional technologies again is a nuclear base, which you require the atomic approval. Whereas we have a technology which we also use a nucleonic device, but again is a exempted because we use a source which is exempted by internationally by Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, AERB. So that is again a solution we have provided to the customers. And we normally don't sell the product, as our company policy is not selling the product. We give a solution to our customers, not only selling the product. There are so many companies who only sell the product. We always discuss with the customer, what is your problem? And we take the challenges where the pain point for the customer. And we try to put our instrument by our own cost. So means we focus on the technologies and we discuss customer to solve their problem, not only selling the product. So that is the approach keeping us ahead in the industries with our international manufacturers.
That's quite innovative and transformational, sir.
Yeah.
So EPI, places a very strong emphasis on solving customer problems through tailored solutions. So could you share a notable example of a challenging project where EIP delivered exceptional results?
Yeah, as I told you, like in a coal-based power plant, measuring a level of coal and measuring a level of fly ash is a dusty environment. So we have given a 3D technologies, which customer is really happy, and they have seen that their problem is, I cannot say 100%. Yes, we can say 85 to 90% problem have been resolved by us. We have given the solution of 3D technology, which is based on the 140 gigahertz, which nobody have in the world. So we have given that technology, installed it, and customer have seen they have improved the efficiency of the plant, and they know now how much is the material like coal or iron ore in the steel industries or in the cement industry like clinker is a revenue for them. So they know now exactly how much is the material available for use, which was a difficult for them. They used to depute the person at silo top to measure mechanically by putting a rope inside and checking at various points. Now using our 3D technology of 64 antenna or 5 antenna technology, they are very happy with that. So we have resolved their problem, and they have improved the efficiency of their plant by using this.
That's excellent, sir. So sustainability and efficiency are critical in today's industrial landscape. So how does EIP integrate these principles into their solutions and operations?
Yeah, like I told you, the efficiency. We have already given a solution of 3D or maybe radar, 3D technology radar based and single beam radar, where the liquids are there. So they have improved the efficiency of the plant, of the operation. That itself is a sustainability for things.
That's interesting, sir. As a leader with over 4 decades of experience, what lessons have you learned about navigating technological and business challenges in today's rapidly evolving industry?
Yeah, it's a big learning in the period of 40 years plus 40 years. And we have seen is you have to solve the problem of the customer, not only just sell and come out. So today, why customers are happy with us? Because as I told you, we have a team of engineers who are always available to go anywhere if there is any problem of the customer at plant site. So that gives us edge, and they are always traveling all over India, and we have a good numbers of engineers in our company who are only dedicated to provide the customer support. So there are many challenges we are facing. with our international competitors, and still we are number one because we resolve the problem. We give a solution, not only a product selling.
That's fantastic, sir. I think customer-centric approach is a key to today's growth and success of an organization. So finally, Dr. Goyal, what is your vision for the future of EIP Enviro controls, and how do you plan to continue redefining the level measurement industry?
Yeah, it's a good question. We are working continuously. We started the journey with a single point level measurement. That was today EIP say proudly 90% in the process industries power plant. That level switch, which was developed in 1981, 82, today is installed, and we have in fact improved, redesigned that instrument also. So earlier was a only point level. Now we have a digital display in the same instrument. So we keeps improving our technologies, and we try to give, because we should be number one. So how we can be a number one unless you do a improvement or you do some innovative things? You cannot be a number one. So we always think we should provide a solution to customer to improve. Still, we say we have a solution for solid level, solve the problem of 80%, 85% of the customers. But still, we feel that we should focus to have a 100% satisfaction of the customer. So we are working on that. Our team is working for that.
That's fabulous, sir. So this does bring us to the end of the interview. So I would just like to give you a small vote of thanks. Thank you so much for sharing your inspiring journey and remarkable insights into the evolution of level measurement technologies today. And your commitment to solving customer challenges and driving innovation has positioned EIP Enviro Controls as a leader in the industry. So to our viewers, if you're curious to learn more about EIP Enviro Controls and its transformative solutions, stay tuned and stay connected with the Enterprise World magazine. And thank you for tuning with us today. Until next time, and stay inspired and stay innovating. Thank you so much, sir, for your time and effort for this interview. And I hope that you continue to build a legacy and be the pioneer in your industry. And I wish you all the best for your company and your role ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Have a great day ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.